If your Samsung TV keeps forcing you into the Samsung TV Plus app every time you turn it on or switch inputs, you can stop this behavior by disabling its auto-run permissions or removing the service from your home screen. Press the Home button on your remote, navigate to Settings greater than all settings, select General and Privacy, or just General on older models. Choose Smart Features, find Autorun Samsung TV Plus and toggle it off. Pro tip, also toggle off. Auto-run Last App if you want the TV to boot to the home screen instead of the last active channel. If the app still pops up, you can disable it so it no longer appears in your channel list or home bar. Go to the home screen and find the Samsung TV Plus icon. Press and hold the Select/OK button on your remote until a menu appears. If you can't disable the app, you can delete its channels so it has nothing to play. Open the Samsung TV Plus app. Navigate to the channel list and select Edit Channels. Select all channels and choose Delete. Without active channels, the app will typically stop auto-triggering. Settings changes on Samsung TVs sometimes don't stick until the system fully refreshes. While the TV is on, press and hold the power button on your remote until the TV turns off and the Samsung logo reappears. Alternatively, unplug the TV from the wall for 60 seconds, then plug it back in.